Sorry. So we decided to make, and I'll show you here real quick, bring this back. So we had that, and again, we only had, effectively, we are supposed to only have about 4 weeks to work on development and marketing, and then 2 weeks of trying to like sell whatever we're done. And just like this whole thing could be made into a whole like dashboard, where you'd have comprehensive reports on individuals, and it wouldn't be too hard. It wouldn't take much more time to add that level of sophistication to the project. But we're looking for quick ways to make effective solutions as fast as possible. So, like we talked about before, if you saw my first video, the client is keyed by their phone number. It's simple, it's effective. I mean, I was just like, you have to think about, okay, is this like a problem? But if somebody has my phone, you guys just saw some of my phone numbers right there. Throw my phone number there. Like, could you use my account? Well, no, the account is like, if you pay for a call using my phone number, it's going to call me. So it's not going to, I mean, it's not an effective way to access somebody's. So anyways, we figured that's pretty good for starters, for a proof of concept, for early, I guess we'll call it early beta or a late alpha. I don't know.